Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious churros sauce. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need unsweetened cocoa powder, sugar, milk, and vanilla extract. Make sure you have 1/4 cup of cocoa and 1/2 cup of sugar. Also, grab a small saucepan and a whisk. These are all the tools and ingredients we need to get started on our delightful sauce. Now that you have your ingredients ready, let's begin. Take your small saucepan and add the 1/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder and the 1/2 cup of sugar. Use your whisk to thoroughly combine these dry ingredients. This is an important step to ensure there are no lumps, giving us a perfectly smooth and consistent sauce for our churros. Next, we'll introduce the liquid. Gradually whisk in 1 cup of milk into your cocoa and sugar mixture until it becomes smooth. Once combined, place the saucepan over medium-low heat on your stovetop. Remember to stir continuously for about 5 to 7 minutes. This constant stirring is key to preventing scorching and achieving that perfect, rich thickness for your sauce. Finally, for the finishing touches, once your sauce has thickened, remove the saucepan from the heat. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to enhance the flavor. Allow the churro sauce to cool slightly before serving. This warm, decadent sauce is perfect with freshly made churros, but it also pairs wonderfully with ice cream or other sweet treats. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.